What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we have a Dollar Tree haul. I went to Dollar Tree today for literally one thing, and you know how it goes. I came out with 4 bags filled with stuff. I'm actually really excited though, because I think I hit it up on a really good day. Like they might have restocked the store or something, because there was so many good things and just like so many things that I don't normally feel like I see at Dollar Tree. Like they were very well stocked and I was like, ooh. Also, sad to report that my Dollar Tree has now also become a $1.25 store. For a while, there was like a lot of Dollar Trees that were charging $1.25, but mine was still $1 somehow. But yeah, it's $1.25 now, so everything was $1.25 instead of $1. So a little bit more expensive, but I did feel like they had some cool things that I didn't remember seeing in the past, so maybe with that will come like a little bit of better stuff. I don't know. I did vlog a little bit in the store, so we'll do a little shop with me portion as well. But anyways, I know you guys love these hauls, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. I can show you guys all the stuff that I got. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. Oh my god, so I just walked in and they have so many cute backpacks for back to school, and they're actually like a pretty good size too. Like they're not super small. Oh my gosh, the avocado one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I need this. Like, this is so cute. They actually have so much cute back to school stuff here, like these little pens and pencils and stuff, and it's much cheaper than like Staples would be. Love these little organizer bins. The colors are super pretty, like the pastels. This would be great for like bathroom organization or really anything. You could also probably use some of these bigger ones to store like makeup and brushes and stuff in, because they are pretty deep. I always love their summer outdoor stuff. It's probably getting towards the end, so if you want to get some of this stuff, definitely would come soon. Like look at these little bowls and plates and stuff. So cute. I actually need some cups for outside, so I want to check that out. I will always find myself in the faux floral section at Dollar Tree. I swear I have these all over my house, and they are so much cheaper than if you buy them at like Michael's or online, and they're just as good. Ooh, okay, so many hair accessories, and they're all like these pretty pastel colors, like scrunchies, clips, like everything. How cute, even the little furry one. Okay, this is so cute. They have so many little like bedazzled things. Like if you wanted to like bedazzle like a phone case or literally anything, you could just buy these here and do it. Speaking of phones, they have a lot of like trendy new phone cases here that are actually really nice, like for your phone and like little phone stands. Okay, here's what I actually came here for, these plastic little travel bottles. I need this. They have these that have like 3 for liquids, but I think I'm going to get this one that has the little spray bottle too. They have a lot of different body products from this brand. Like they have body scrubs and lotions and stuff, and even these like sprays, which are really cute. They have some new Ioni stuff too, which they are one of the best brands at Dollar Tree. Like their stuff's actually really good, but affordable. Like I haven't seen this tinted lip balm yet. This looks nice. Ooh, they even have little like fuzzy slippers. They're kind of thin, but I mean they're cute. Like if you're putting together like a gift basket or something. And a little facial massage tool. Ooh. Okay, you guys know I always find myself in the makeup section. They have tons of LA Color, some Ioni. You guys know I love the Ioni lashes, and they have tons of different options. Like so many different pretty styles. Also, if you come to Dollar Tree, don't sleep on these Wet n Wild eye brushes. I actually have all 3 of these, and they're all very good, and they're like literally have a full bin like stocked of them here. This is a new brand I haven't seen here, La Flare. These lashes look really pretty. I might try and get these. Oh my god, I need this bedazzled clip. How pretty is this? Wow. Ooh, and some new LA Colors, this jelly lip gloss. I have not seen this. Okay, first things I grabbed, these are like clanking into each other, so I figure I'll take them out and show you now. They are these cups. How stinking cute are these? So they are plastic cups, which I actually really loved. They have a lot of glassware at Dollar Tree too though. So like if you are just getting started, like when you move out and stuff, me and Steven, when we first moved out, literally went there and bought like all of our cups, plates, all that kind of stuff, because they do have like real glass and stuff there, but I actually wanted specifically plastic cups for outside. Just in the summer for around the pool, it's easier to have plastic cups like this than glass, and I wanted to get like some cute ones that weren't just like, you know, a red Solo cup that you just like throw away. I thought these were really cute and reusable, so they should have little summer fruits on them, so I just grabbed 4 of them. I feel like I should have maybe gotten like 8, but I grabbed 4 for today. I could always go back because they did have a lot, but I thought these were really cute. Okay, this, I don't even know, this, I just got suckered in by this because I was like, wait, this is so cute. At the front of the store, they had a lot of like back to school stuff, and they had these little backpacks, and I saw this little backpack with avocados. Like, Am I going back to school? No, absolutely not. I'm literally almost 30. I'm 29 years old. But this was so cute. And it's like a little mini backpack. Like I thought just for anything, like if I just want something where I want to carry some things and have a little backpack, I thought this would be perfect for it. And like the little avocados on it, oh my God, adorable. They had these in a bunch of like just plain colors as well. Like they had plain pink ones, if they had a purple one, a black one, gray, blue, a couple different colors, and it just is like pretty spacious on the inside. And you do have this front flap too. So I mean, for $1.25, she's cute. I like it. Okay, I bought these 2 clips. I thought these were beautiful. They have like these pretty little rhinestones on them. So I got 2 of them because I normally clip my hair back on either side, like when I do my makeup or at my tutorials and stuff to just get my hair out of my face. So I thought these would be really pretty for that, like literally for anything. They're just little clips like this. Let's take them out and see. But they're literally like bedazzled. You could totally get these at like Claire's or something at the mall and they would probably be like $8. I'm not even kidding, if not more. I thought those were really, really pretty. So I just grabbed 2 of them and figured I could use them, you know, if I want to like clip my hair back or whatever like this to get it out of my face when I'm filming or doing my makeup or like really wherever. They're pretty enough to wear really for anything. I also got these other clips, which I think they're in a different bag. Okay. Yeah, so I got 2 claw clips. These are like all the rage right now. It's so easy to just twist your hair back and put it up with a claw clip. And I do it all the time, but I don't have that many of them. So I saw both of these and was like, wow, those are adorable. So I got this one, which is like kind of tortoise print, which I thought was really pretty. And then I also grabbed this like matte kind of mauve-y pink one. They did have this exact one in like a matte gray as well, but I went with the pink, which I thought was really pretty too. And they're both pretty big too, so they should be able to hold like all of my hair up and back. So love that. I did get some makeup things. So one of the first things I grabbed was this Ioni tinted lip balm. I normally like Ioni and it's just as it's a hydrating lip balm and it's like a pink nude tint to it, so I grabbed that. Also from Ioni, they have a 2-in-1 lash glue liner. So Ioni, what I feel like they're mostly known for are their lashes. They always have a ton of lashes from them at Dollar Tree, and they're actually really nice, like faux mink lashes. But this was the first time I saw a 2-in-1 lash glue liner, so I was like, whoa, because that's basically all I use now to apply my lashes. So I went ahead and grabbed this and can definitely report back on if it works. But I was definitely super excited to see that there. Speaking of lashes, there was a new brand that I had never seen before called La Fleur. So I got these 3D French lashes. So these are a little bit more toned down than the Ioni ones. The Ionis are definitely thicker, but I still thought these were really pretty. They give me like Ardell vibes, and I liked these kind of wispy ones. So I grabbed these. I've never tried anything from this brand before, but they had like 2 or 3 different lash options from this brand. So I just got the 3D Fresh ones. I think they look really cute, so excited to try them. And I also got this LA Colors Sheer Jelly Lip Gloss. So it said that this is new, so I have never tried this, but I liked the neon kind of pinky color of it, so I grabbed it. And I feel like LA Colors for the price point is actually pretty good. I've tried a lot of their stuff from Dollar Tree. They have a huge section normally at Dollar Tree, so this was like a newer product that I hadn't tried yet. Okay, now here's what I actually went there for, these little travel bottles. I'm traveling in a couple days, and I think I'm just gonna do a carry-on because I keep reading all over that like everybody's luggage is getting lost everywhere. So I was like, carry-on, I think it is. So I had to put some of my bigger size liquids into smaller sized bottles. So I was gonna get these at Walmart, and then I was like, you know what? I bet they have them at Dollar Tree. I stopped in there and they did. So it was way cheaper there. You get 2 bottles and a spray bottle as well. And for the trip, I also grabbed these disinfectant wipes just for like the plane and stuff. There's actually quite a lot in here. There's 20, pretty thick for like just to throw in a backpack. So I thought that'd be good just for the seat, tray table and stuff. And then a little hand sanitizer as well, which I always like to have when traveling because you just never know. So I always like to have these with me if I'm in like a new environment or traveling, whatever. Oh, and up next I got these socks. So they had a lot of really cute socks there. So I got 2 different sets. They each come with 2 each. So this one, I loved the neon kind of like animal print. I thought those were really cute. And then the other side is like little polka dots. And then on this one, it's donuts. How cute is that? And then little stars on the other side. I loved the little pattern on these, so I thought they were cute. I grabbed a headband. They have these headbands from time to time at Dollar Tree. They like tie in the center like this. I also really like to wear these when I want to put my hair back for when I'm doing my makeup and stuff, but also just even for every day. It's a cute little headband, but it helps keep your hair out of your face. They're marketed, I think, as like more of like an active, like a workout type headband. So great for that too. If you want to put your hair back while you're working out, not have it hanging down. There's like a little woman running on it, but I just got a plain black one because that's normally the color that I wear, and thought it was cute. It's also very soft material, which is nice. This next thing, I really don't know if this is gonna work. Oh no, wait, I'm reading right now. This is what happens when you don't look close enough. So it says pool noodle not included, because I was like wondering how the heck is there a pool noodle in here? I'm so dumb. So I saw this, it says pool noodle chair. So it's just the green mesh part, not the noodle itself in here. So I was like, I really don't know if that's gonna work, and how the heck is it all in this tiny bag? I should have read it closer. I mean, I guess I could go buy a pool noodle. I feel like those aren't super expensive, and see if this seat actually works. So I thought this would be nice in the pool if you just wanna sit and kind of chill and relax, whatever, but you don't wanna actually be on a lounger. I wish the noodle came with it. That would've been cool, but it's probably too much to ask for $1.25. So I got this. And then I just have a few things left. Nothing super exciting in here, but it is good stuff to stock up on at Dollar Tree. I got a Crest White toothpaste, which these are actually like, this is what I use like normally, and they're quite expensive. Like I wanna say they're like $6 or $7, I think, each at the store normally, where $1.25. I think this is the same thing. I normally use the Crest 3D White. So it actually looks a little different, the packaging, but I mean, it's still the Crest 3D White. And this is 2.3 ounces, so it is good for a carry-on bag as well. So I think it's a little bit smaller than the regular one, but it is significantly cheaper, and it's still not like super tiny. So I got that, grabbed a little 2-pack of toothbrushes. I always like to change them out every few months. And last and certainly not least, grabbed some Band-Aids, because I cut my finger the other day and we didn't have any Band-Aids. So I got this pack of 80 Band-Aids for $1.25, which I thought was a really good deal. So yeah, that's everything that I got at Dollar Tree. I feel like there was actually a lot of really cute things for like back to school and summer still there. So, and the new makeup and stuff. I was definitely impressed when I went. So it made the $1.25 more, you know, palatable to me, you know what I mean? Because at first I was like, oh my God, no more dollar, but you know, I get it. So anyways, that was everything that I got. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's little shop with me and haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.